Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Master Pan is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen tools you can add to your arsenal, especially if you're looking to streamline your cooking process and minimize cleanup time. Imagine cooking a full breakfast, complete with eggs, bacon, and pancakes, all in a single pan simultaneously, without any flavors bleeding into each other. This innovative skillet is designed to make your mornings easier and your meals more enjoyable, offering a unique solution for busy individuals and families who want delicious, home-cooked food with less hassle. Number 5. Masterpan 15 Divided Grill Fry Oven Meal Skillet. Introducing the ultimate cooking solution. This uniquely designed pan allows you to prepare your entire meal using just one convenient cooking surface. Despite its generous size, it efficiently cooks using only one burner. Its special base plate ensures heat is distributed evenly across the entire surface. Experience the joy of cooking with its superior non-stick coating. Food effortlessly slides off, making meal preparation and cleanup a breeze. Cook with confidence knowing it features a PFOA-free non-stick coating. This ensures a healthier cooking experience for you and your family. Cleanup is simple. It's completely dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Plus, it's oven safe up to 350 F, expanding your cooking possibilities. Simplify your cooking routine with this versatile skillet. It's designed to make preparing delicious meals easier than ever before. What we like? This pan allows you to cook an entire meal in one go, thanks to its unique 5-compartment design. It's perfect for busy individuals or families who want to save time and minimize cleanup. If you're looking for a way to simplify your weeknight dinners and cook multiple items simultaneously with just one burner, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Awesome to cook full meal and only have one pan to wash instead of multiple. Good that you can cook many things at a time. While waiting for other things to cook, you can move on to cook other items too with the space freed up from the previous item that was cooked. Non-stick is right. Heats up nicely and cooks multiple foods simply and quickly on high heat. Number 4. Jean-Patrique Lazy Pan Multi-Section Griddle. Introducing the Lazy Pan, your new go-to for effortless cooking. It's perfect for everything from breakfast to dinner, allowing you to cook multiple ingredients simultaneously with ultimate ease. This versatile pan features 3 distinct sections. You can perfectly cook meats, vegetables, and eggs all at the same time, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Enjoy that authentic char-grilled taste with its deep griddle lines. Plus, the shallow well is ideal for creating perfectly shaped fried eggs every time. Crafted from durable cast aluminum, it distributes heat efficiently for quick and even cooking. The detachable handle makes moving it from stovetop to oven a breeze. This pan is incredibly versatile, suitable for all hob types including induction, gas, and electric. It's also oven safe up to 250 degrees Celsius and even works on a campfire. Its non-stick, non-toxic surface ensures food releases easily and requires less oil for healthier meals. It's free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and lead. What we like? With its 3 versatile sections, this pan is designed for ultimate cooking convenience, allowing you to prepare different ingredients at the same time. The deep griddle lines provide that classic char-grilled taste, while the circular well is perfect for fried eggs. If you love a hearty breakfast or enjoy grilling with distinct flavors, this is the pan for you. What people say. I really like this pan because I'm able to cook multiple items in one pan and I don't have to wash multiple pans. I also love how easy it cleans up. Can use this skillet to cook meat for one person, scrambled eggs, sauté veggies, bacon all in their own separate section. Extremely easy to clean. This pan allows me to make my entire meal in one cook time. It's very convenient for some people like this. I have actually made a burger on here and toasted the bun while the meat was cooking. Number 3. 5-ingredient cooking for 2. Discover the joy of cooking with minimal ingredients. This cookbook is designed for couples, making mealtime simple and delicious. Explore a vast collection of over 100 recipes, all perfectly portioned for 2 people. Enjoy a new culinary adventure every night. Say goodbye to complicated grocery lists. Each recipe requires only 5 simple ingredients, saving you time and effort. No more food waste or leftover struggles. These recipes are specifically crafted to serve 2, ensuring the perfect amount for every meal. Transform your cooking experience with this essential guide. It's the perfect companion for anyone looking to create satisfying meals for two without the fuss. What we like. This product is not a pan, but a cookbook focused on 5-ingredient recipes portioned for 2 people. If you're cooking for 1 or 2 and want to simplify meal preparation with minimal ingredients, this cookbook offers over 100 delicious options. It's perfect for those who want to reduce food waste and enjoy easy, flavorful meals. What people say. Most recipes have boxes at the beginning noting the following: freezer-friendly, 30 minutes or less, 1 pot, feeling fancy, or a combination of some or all of those. Many of the recipes are for dishes that are usually much more complicated, having many times more ingredients, taking too much time and utilizing too many pots and pans. The portion sizes are perfect for 2, making it effortless to create meals tailored to our needs. There's minimal waste, and we can enjoy a variety of dishes without overwhelming leftovers. Number 2. ESLITE Life 11-inch Nonstick Divided Grill Pan. Enjoy a healthier cooking experience with our nonstick granite coating. It requires less oil and is super easy to clean, making meal prep a breeze. This pan is perfect for a variety of foods, from bacon to steaks. Its unique design helps you achieve perfect grill marks and easily drain excess grease. No matter your kitchen setup, this pan is compatible with all stovetops, including induction. It's the ideal upgrade for any cook. Crafted with advanced die-cast aluminum, it heats quickly and evenly, saving you time and energy. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. With over 30 years of experience, we guarantee your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, we'll provide a refund or replacement. What we like. Featuring an eco-friendly granite nonstick coating, this pan makes cooking and cleaning a breeze with minimal oil. Its 3-in-1 design is perfect for cooking multiple items simultaneously, and the parallel ridges channel grease effectively. If you prioritize healthy cooking, easy cleanup, and versatile use across all stovetops, this is an excellent upgrade for your kitchen. What people say. As it allows me to make eggs 2 different ways and heat up additional items at the same time without having to use multiple cooking utensils. Cleanup is very easy as the ceramic coating is great quality, nothing sticks. It is also a very heavy-duty pan so food doesn't burn and cooks evenly. It works on my inductive range and it cooks evenly, exactly how I would like it to cook. It is also spacious, giving you the ability to cook multiple things. Great level of thickness, perfectly divided sections and easy to clean. Number 1. SENSARTE Nonstick Divided Grill Pan, 9.5-inch. Introducing a versatile grilling pan designed for your kitchen. Its unique 3-section design allows you to cook multiple items simultaneously, preventing flavors from mixing. Enjoy healthier meals with its advanced non-stick surface. It's free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, ensuring safety for your family and the environment. Cleaning up is a breeze. The superior non-stick coating means food slides right off, requiring just a simple wipe or rinse. Achieve perfect grill marks with raised ridges, while recessed areas are ideal for pancakes, eggs, and more. It's designed for a variety of cooking needs. Crafted from durable die-cast aluminum, this pan is built to last. The comfortable, cool touch handle ensures a secure and pleasant cooking experience. This pan is compatible with all cooktops, including gas, electric, and induction. Its thick base ensures even and rapid heat distribution for optimal results. What we like. This 3-in-1 square grill pan is designed to cook 3 different foods simultaneously without mixing, thanks to its effective dividers. The raised ridges create perfect grill marks, while the recessed circles are ideal for eggs or pancakes. If you're looking for a compact yet versatile pan that delivers excellent grilling results and easy cleanup for smaller households or specific meal preparations, this is a great choice. What people say. The 3 separate sections are great for cooking different items at once without the mixing. It heats evenly and is non-stick, making cleanup a breeze. The divider between the sections is sturdy and doesn't allow food to bleed over. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.